What comes to surprise to most visitors in Baguio City is how this small city holds a lot of history. Popular locations in Baguio are remembered from way back in World War II, and some of them are remembered by the local dates back to the late 1800s. Boasting great natural beauty, chilly weather, a tourist-friendly people, and extraordinary vistas, the City of Pines is a culmination of your search for the idyllic escape from the tropical heat of the Philippine lowlands. Baguio is gifted with a variety of cultural, historical, and scenic attractions that make it an important and interesting destination, favored by local and foreign tourists. Whole families on vacation, honeymoon couples, and large convention groups. What comes as a surprise to most visitors in Baguio City is how this small city holds a lot of history. Popular locations in Baguio are remembered from way back in World War II, and some of them are remembered by the local dates back to the late 1800s. Baguio City has always been a prime destination for Filipinos, popularly because of its cool climate and fresh vegetables. Throughout the years, this small city has been able to accommodate a great number of tourists from all over the Philippines and around the world. This city is also a trading area for neighboring municipalities. Baguio serves as a way station for La Trinidad Strawberry Farm and Benguet Capital. Itogon's Binga Dam and Hot Springs, Tubas Asin Hot Springs and Cannon Road Bridal Falls are some of the notable destinations outside the city. The City of Pines is a small, fast-developing city, highlighting its rich culture, beautiful landscape, and most importantly, great people. Tourism has always been a big part of Baguio City's commercial enterprise, fascinating tourists with wood carvings and various decorative products, which are the main highlights in Baguio's arts and crafts. Baguio has recently gained more popularity with the annual Baguio Flower Festival that started in 1995. This celebration is currently the most popular celebration in Baguio. The float parade is one of the best events of this festival. Contributors from various sectors including schools and universities, government offices, private companies, and neighboring municipalities join in this float parade. During the Flower Festival, Session Road, which is the main business spot of Baguio, is closed for vehicles. This will give way to the stalls which open in the middle of the road displaying various products and commodities from Baguio and other places in the country. In this way, Baguio is exposed to a great variety of commodities from food to clothing, the latest electronic products, job fairs, and a whole lot more. A visit to the City of Pines will always be worth it. It's a good advice to always take a closer look at everything before you miss it.
Welcome to the Philippine Military Academy. Welcome to John Hay. Welcome to Baguio Botanical Garden! Welcome to Ride Park!
Thank you for watching our simple presentation, and we hope you like it.
Come and visit Baguio, where great experience starts here. It's more fun in Baguio!